After a bit of a break, Quadro News is back with some fresh and juicy leaks on DJI's upcoming Mic Mini lineup. And trust me, there's plenty here to get excited about. From flexible pricing to a range of bundle options, it seems DJI is ready to serve up a new level of portability and performance in their audio gear. So here's what we know so far. The Mic Mini is expected to launch in 3 configurations, covering different needs and budgets. Starting with a super affordable single unit at around €59, about $63, DJI is also planning a single transmitter bundle, priced at €89, roughly $95. And for those who want the full works, there's a dual transmitter bundle, complete with a charging case, for €169, around $181. The leaked images have also given us a peek at the accessories packed into the higher-end bundles. Alongside the ultra-compact microphone units, you're looking at a sleek charging case, multiple windshields to keep your audio clear even on windy days, a handy carrying pouch, and adapters for both USB-C and 3.5mm, ensuring compatibility across your devices. And the best part? Each Mic Mini weighs just 10 grams, making it insanely easy to clip on and carry around wherever you're filming or recording. These details build on earlier leaks that teased the Mic Mini's minimalist clip-on design and a choice between 2 classy colors, Arctic White and Infinity Black. With so much information hitting the scene, an official announcement from DJI feels right around the corner. So stay tuned. It looks like we'll get the full scoop any day now. Thanks for watching. Peace out.